Alrighty guys, let's talk about the Groove Life belt. After, oh goodness, I've had this for probably over 2 years to be honest with you. And I love it. I wear it every day and this is definitely dirty. And so I think it might be time for a new belt, but I just wanted to kind of show you and talk about the features of this belt and why I use it every day. And I have not gone to any other belt except for this. So obviously this thing is majorly dinged up. Gosh, I think this was like almost a khaki color. I've washed it, but obviously it's so dirty because I wear it around my property. Yeah, I dirty it up. So I got dingers on the front of it. We got a GL logo right here, as well as the band right here, GL logo. And let me show you the inside of it. I've dinged that up pretty good as well. But ladies and gentlemen, it's about the metal clasp. I absolutely love this thing. If you've ever seen the commercial for Groove Life, like watching a YouTube video, you know, it's like they're in the bathroom and then you hear that click and the guy's like, hey man, is that a Groove Life belt? I'm just waiting for someone at church to do that to me as well, to hear that click. So absolutely an incredible design to it. Easiest thing to do is you just push it like that and it opens up. And then literally I just, you know, buckle up my pants, boom. And that is good to go on you right there. So what I love about it is in fitness, even in my different jeans, I fluctuate between weight sometimes, mountain biking and my mountain biking shorts, my jeans. And the coolest and easiest thing to do is literally I just pull this strap and it tightens the belt. I pull this area right here and it loosens the belt and it stays put. If I fluctuate, if I'm doing a long-term like biohacking fast, if I'm bulking, whatever it might be for muscle. So it's an absolutely beautiful belt. No need for like extra little holes. And I mean, it's a belt, but it's the coolest belt I've ever used in my entire life. Just, I mean, frankly, just to be honest with you. Awesome designs as well. Goodness gracious, they have so many different designs. I need to get my hands on a new one and I'll keep this one for just like a ranching belt around the property. But just wanted to tell you my experience with it after having it for probably, yeah, again, like 2+ years. It's a great belt. I absolutely love it. Also, I do have their wallet as well. This is the black color. I've done a full review on this wallet as well. Their designs are absolutely incredible with a sliding mechanism, popping out your cards for your wallet. Man, this thing is a beautiful design to it and I really love it. So I will link their wallet below as well with the belt. Get your hands on it. It'll last you a long time. A darker color might not show dirt after, you know, years of using it out on the ranch, etc. So do keep that in mind as well. Anyway, top link in the description box below will be the belt. Underneath that link will be the wallet. Pick up your gear. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on the way. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech reviews, DIY house projects, and more. Once again, top link in the description box below are your links. My name's Chris. We will see you on the next one. Take care for now. Bye-bye.